Martha and Richard, and of course you know Sir Wilfred.
Hello, it's a pleasure to meet both of you. I can certainly see where Charlotte gets her sense of seriousness from.
Mickey Mouse backdrop.
You put on a very impressive exhibition tonight, young man. You should be congratulated.
Thank you very much. I actually owe it all to my good friend Fitz here, who encouraged when others would have discouraged. Thanks, Fitz. Young man, I want you to have a listen.
She got her yoked up by the neck, yo. Sophie got her. You got her in there? Yeah, Sophie get her. She got her paws on.
Yeah, she latches on to her fucking skin. I heard the dog crying all the time. Don't bite her eyeball out, wait.
Oh, puppy. Sophie, you're a bitch. Oh, Joe.
She had her like in the eyeball. I'm like, wait. Damage her vision.
Huh? He's here now?
I'm sure you'll make the right decision.
Hey!
That's how they be. She had a cat screaming sometimes. I'd be like, y'all crazy.
You sure we get points for this? 75.
Then they be sleeping together.
They love each other.